Did you guys seriously click this link? Well, if you did, you're probably wondering, what can an A7 2019 do with our stage 1 tune? So I'm going to show you some real results with no manipulations. This is what you will get when you buy my tune. So you guys need to know some variables here. We have a transmission, which is a DSG, which is locked. I can't get past it. I will not manipulate this ECU to get past it because you're just going to cause issues, slippage, and you're going to destroy stuff. Let me shut up. Let me show you some dyno results. Yeah, we threw down 290 something horsepower on a stock. I mean, it's 300 horsepower. It's gonna feel good. Would I like to see some more from stock? Yeah, for sure. 350, if they really hit that, that would have been sweet because it would have felt like this. This is what I wanted from the car. Hit the throttle, got the response. It's gonna push me back. I'm gonna get out of the hole and I'm gonna start doing some fun things on the highway. That's what we want. We get why they don't do it because of safety, warranty, damaging things because you guys can't get off the throttle because you just send it as hard as possible until that thing burns down. I mean, I get it, but you guys are wild. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just want to shed some light on the 2019 A7. I don't see a lot of people tuning this car, so I thought, why not? I'll just grab one and start tuning it and see what it's capable of doing. I always like to be that one-off thing. Nobody's messing with it. Here I am showing you guys the data. So I'm gonna go take this car for a drive and see how she drives. Maybe I might like it. Thank you guys for tuning in. I enjoy you guys watching my content because I'm trying to shed some light on real data stuff. I'm not trying to manipulate, I'm not trying to trick you guys. I'm here, wide open, showing you the data. I hope you enjoy it. And as always, stay BDT tuned.